2. Hey, you guys. Literally me. I'm Bunny. Sometimes I buy stuff, sometimes I say stuff, and sometimes I do stuff. This is going to be a very fun and relaxing video today. I've actually got a full house in this room that you can't see, including Hubs that is sitting right over here. This is Rumi. We are partaking in Rumi on this Saturday afternoon. You know what it's not? It is not Christmas. But you know what it is? Awesome to get 25 presents I didn't have 10 minutes ago. We're gonna open a Profusion makeup advent calendar.
Yay.
I'm always getting ads on my social media to buy stuff. This just happened to come up because it's not Christmas anymore and it was like on super sale for like less than $15. And I thought, how fun, let me get 25 pieces of Profusion for 15 bucks and it's like a surprise. Let's just be honest here, I've never actually tried any of Profusion's products, but a lot of YouTube people that I watch actually say that it's a pretty decent drugstore brand, so I've never actually heard anything negative about it. Also, Harris is sitting right here, and I'm sure he is gonna get fed some stuff. Let's open this bitch up and play along! So this is the Profusion 25 Days to Slay Advent Calendar. It's like this really pretty holographic, my style. Would you say like rainbow holographic is my style?
Don't know. Not really, but kind of.
Not really, but kind of. My trusty X-Acto knife. Here she is on the outside. Woo! Oh, look at all those pretty boxes that we're gonna get to open. We're gonna start with number 1. Oh yeah! It's a set of tweezers, and this is perfect for me because I have a beard that I have to pluck like every day. Box number 2. This is gonna be a bitch to edit. Profusion Clear Brow Gel. Hey, guess what, guys? You're getting that one. I'm not a clear brow gel person. All right, let's go to day number 3. Profusion Cosmetics Dual Brow Pencil. It looks like it's in a brown, so I am gonna be keeping that baby. I definitely have to fill in my brows, and I do use a brown, so I'm keeping that one. And then since I accidentally opened number 4 trying to get number 3 open, we'll just go ahead and see here. Ooh, this is a Profusion liquid eyeliner. Perfect. Sorry guys, I'm keeping that for myself too. It's like Christmas. Let's see, day number 5. Profusion waterproof eyeliner pencil. So keeping that for myself too. Day number 6. What the fuck is this? Does anybody know what this is? It's like a glitter powder thing. Well, since I don't know what it is and I'm not really like a glitter person, Harris, let's do number 7. Ooh, this is a little blush and highlighter palette. That's super cute. I like that, but guess what? I'm gonna put that back in here for you guys because I've got enough of blush and highlighter. What was that, 7? Okay, so now we're gonna go to day 8. Profusion Bronze and Highlighter Dual Palette. I like these shades, so I think I'm gonna keep that one for myself. Sorry. Go to number 9. This is a Profusion Cosmetics non-labeled brush, but it looks like a little eye shader brush. I will take that. I'll keep that for myself. Thank you.
Ha, just kidding, guys. I'm sorry, but I have so many brushes. So every brush that I open and say that I'm going to keep going forward in this video actually are going to you guys. Thank you.
Day number 10. This is a Profusion eyeshadow palette. 7 shades multi-finish eyeshadow palette. I've never tried out Profusion's formula, so I'm gonna set that to the side here for a second. We'll decide what we're gonna do with that when the box is over. Okay, 11. Looks like another eyeshadow brush, so that's cool. Let's open day number 12. What is this thing? You know what they say, if you come home with some glitter on ya.
What, honey? What do they say?
Oh. Can I just... There we go. Okay. Day number 13. Ow, I'm like breaking my nails. Oh, it's a little matte lip cream. How cute is that? Oh, I'm definitely keeping that. All right, we're going to day 14. Day Profusion lip topper, sparkling lip topper. We're gonna do day 15 here. Another matte lip cream in another pink color. All right, day 16. A sparkling lip topper in a gold glitter. So that's cute. Day 17, and another matte lip cream. Let's see, 18. How much do we want to guess this is a... How much do we want to guess? A lip topper! This is a little ridiculous. I'm never going to use this many lip toppers. Let's see, we've got like a gold, a rose gold, and like a peach. I think I'm gonna give you guys the gold. We're gonna put the gold in Harris. You guys get a lip topper. Good luck. Day 19. Woo, yeah! That's what I'm talking about. Another brush. Honey, how many brushes do I have? Day 20. Woo! We've got a Profusion brow palette. Ooh, this is cute. It's got a brow primer, a brow light, a brow taupe, and a brow brown with a little spoolie brush. Ooh, I like that. I am going to keep that myself. 22. We're just ripping. Oh man. Not What are these things? What is this? This is not even that glittery. This is like more of like a matte, but I don't know, man. I don't know what these are. Guess what? You guys are gonna have the whole collection of whatever that is by Profusion. So 21. Yay! 23 right here. Okay, it's another eyeshadow palette. This one's pretty. I don't know which one of these I like better. Ooh, okay guys, I'm gonna say I want to give one of these to you, but I don't know which one. So how about you tell me, do you want the brown palette or do you want the pink palette? So I'm going to call this one brown and I'm going to call this one pink. So you guys tell me which one that you like because I don't have an opinion. I've never tried these before, but I want to try one. So you just tell me, do you want the brown palette or the pink palette? 24. Okay, look, we're just going to do the last two together because this thing is falling apart and I can't even. A sparkling eye topper, which I am definitely giving to you guys. Again, I'm not a huge sparkle fan, even though I have some on today, but a sparkling eye topper, I'm definitely not dealing with. However, the last one is an eyeshadow primer, and I'm always on the lookout for that, so I'm gonna keep that one. Woohoo! Well, that was a blast. Oh, there was a key on the back of the thing that showed me everything I was going to get, but I didn't even take a look at that. So that was all a surprise. Okay, so you guys got a ton of stuff in Harris. Just a Harris update. I am going to be showing all the items that are in him for the giveaway after my Sephora Ulta haul video, which will be coming in the middle of April. I think my next Ipsy order and then that Sephora Ulta haul, I'll be able to put some things in him and then he will be full and I will do a video on instructions on how to win him and everything that's included in him. So be on the lookout for that. I want to thank my co-host, husband, and 2 dogs for being here with me today. And as always, guys, if you could like this video, if you could comment below on which eyeshadow palette you want me to put in there. Again, do you want pink or brown? And if you could subscribe just so that you can follow my antics and look at all this money I'm wasting. That would be awesome. I would really appreciate it. Anyway, guys, that's all I have for you today. Thank you so much. I love you, and I will see you on the next one.